I'm so excited that we have finally come to the end of this 5-step series on how to choose your ideal affiliate marketing niche. And today is the all-important step of the entire series, making a decision. You have gathered all the information from step 1 to step 4. If you don't put it into action by taking a decision, then all the efforts you have made so far are bunkum. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam Chidebe, the anchor of this channel, Smart Affiliates. My mission in this channel is to provide you with the latest tips, tricks, and strategies for successful affiliate marketing. To my subscribers or regular visitors to this channel, thank you so much. To the first-time visitors, I welcome you from the bottom of my heart. I only have one favor to ask of you. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also encourage me by subscribing to this channel so that you would be notified anytime I upload the next interesting video. Since you are ready, as I am, let's get started. Alright, if you are a first-timer, it's necessary that you first watch the 4 steps we have already covered. This will enable you to have a grip on what we have discussed so far before you can make a decision. Go ahead and do that. We will wait for you. I'll leave the links to the 4 videos in the description below. If you have done that, let's fire on. Step 5. Make a decision. After identifying your passions and interests, conducting thorough research, and evaluating the profit potential and resources required for each potential niche, it is time to make a decision. All these efforts will be a mere exercise in futility if you are not able to make a decision. Of course, making a decision doesn't necessarily mean that you must go on with affiliate marketing. Whichever way your pendulum swings, here are some strategies to help you make the best decision. Strategy 1. Set clear goals. Before making a decision, it's important to set clear goals for your affiliate marketing business. Consider what you hope to achieve in the short term and long term, and how each potential niche aligns with those goals. Harness the power of your imagination. Create a mental picture of what you hope to achieve in the next so and so number of years. Number 2. Compare and contrast. Review all the research you have done for each potential niche and compare and contrast. Look at the pros and cons of each option and how they align with your goals and resources. There's no other way of saying that to succeed in affiliate marketing, you must develop the skill of research. I hope you have been doing that since we started this series. Number 3. Seek advice, expert advice. No one person has the repository of knowledge. No one is an island. Some people have been there before you, and some people will still be there after you. Talk to other successful affiliate marketers or industry experts and get their opinion on your potential niche choices. They may have insights and experiences that can help you make a better decision. Number 4. Create a plan of action. Once you have made your decision, create a plan of action. Set specific and measurable goals. Identify the steps you need to take to achieve those goals and create a timeline for completing each step. Don't make the mistake of falling into the trap of believing that you will achieve overnight success by engaging in all the stages of affiliate marketing in one swoop. If after analyzing all the steps you have covered in this series, and you believe that you don't fit in, tell yourself the truth and quit. It is better to quit when you are seeing clearly than to quit when you have already had your fingers burnt. Number 5. Stay flexible. Keep in mind that your chosen niche may evolve. Stay flexible and be prepared to adapt your strategy as needed based on market trends, customer feedback, and other factors. Affiliate marketing principles and systems are not cast in stone, so many factors affect it, including world politics, wars, natural disasters, such as the recent pandemic, COVID-19, and so on. When you follow these strategies, you are sure to make an informed decision and choose the perfect niche for your affiliate marketing business. Remember that to help you further, I've already prepared a robust checklist that will enable you to choose your affiliate marketing niche like a pro. I will leave the link in the description below. Click on it to download it. It is free. Let's conclude the whole series. Now we have gone through the 5 essential steps to choosing the perfect niche for your affiliate marketing resources. Follow these steps. You will be on your way to finding a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and goals. Thanks for watching and for being with me all this while. I will see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.